Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Swift programming language. And today I'm going to introduce the classes and structures in the Swift programming language. So what is the classes and structures? So classes and structures are general purpose, flexible constructs that become the building blocks of your program's code. And today I want to introduce what's the definition, syntax, and the classes and structure instance, and accessing properties, and Memberwise initializer for structure types. So first, how do we define a class or structure? So we use struct keywords. For example, the resolution. Oh, not this one. To define a structure, and we can define some properties inside the structure. For example, like variable values, which is equal to 0, and a variable height, which is equal to 0, 2. And now we can use class keywords to define a classes. Okay, we see name is video, and this. Okay, and we see for the name, which is called empty string, and we also call the resolution is equal to the resolution. So this is how you this code is actually you define a variable property to equal to the structure. So I will show the example after to specifically see what it is used for. And we can also see like the var frame rate equal to a float value. It's type of float, which is 0 and 0. So this is how you define classes or structures. And next, what is a class and structure instance? So in this case, resolution structure, this one, and the video class, they just describe a resolution or video will look like, but they themselves do not describe a specific resolution or video mode looks like. So how do we specifically access it? So we define a constant, for example, like some resolution, which is equal to the resolution with a brace. So this is how you specifically access a structure, but instead of the properties inside the structure. We say let some video is equal to the video. Okay. And next, we have accessed the general look of the resolution structure and the video class, but how do we access the properties inside this structure and class? We see, for example, we see some video dot. Okay, right now we access the class video, which is, and we see, and it provide you several choices, as you can see, frame rate or name or resolution. Okay, we do resolution, and dot. Right now it has been accessed to the previously structured resolution, and it provide two choices, whether property values or height. Okay, we see height, and we change it to 1280, and we can print it out. See, the height of some video is now some video dot resolution dot height. Okay, so we can print it out. Okay, finally I will introduce a Memberwise initializer for structure types. So actually, you can access the property inside a structural class, okay, by using the dot syntax. And also, you can change and store the value of different properties. For example, you can change the Vadis value and store the Vadis value instead of 0. We see, for example, that VGA is equal to resolution. We see height is 640, and the Vadis, which is 460. Okay, we'll see. Okay, and right now it's actually installed the value with these two properties, and we can actually change them. For example, or we can actually access them. VGA.height print VGA dot. Okay. Oh, hold on. EIGHT. Oh, let's see where it is. Okay. Okay. So right now we can print it out, and you can once you have stored the value in these two properties, and you actually access this value of these properties by using dot syntax, like directly call VGA height. Okay, you can directly see. Okay, that's the class and structures in Swift programming language. And thank you. And if you have a question or comments, please let me know. And thank you very much.